Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to host webinars on Zooms. So webinars is actually very long, and as you can see on the pre-plan of Zoom, they are actually limited to 40 minutes per meeting. So you need to head over and upgrade your actual plan in order to host unlimited meetings on Zoom. Once you have upgraded, just click on the schedule a meeting right here. And then once you have done that, you should be able to see in here the meetings that you can actually schedule. So in here, this is right here. So for example, let's put in here webinar. And then once it's been named, we can head over and add description if you want to. Now from in here, just put in here a date that you want to actually host this webinar into. For example, let's host it today at around 3 or 9 or 10 p.m. if you want to. So for example, let's host it at 7 p.m. and then the duration will be like this. So just choose the duration and also the time zone that this will be occurring. So let's actually just put in here some things that we can choose from. So just choose the right time zone for you and then put in here some attendees that you can put in here their email. And you can also choose a template, you can add a whiteboard, and you can also put in here the passcode. And also the video will be on for everyone, and then you can put in here also some other options. From in there, just click on the save right here, and then you should be able to host webinars on Zooms. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below. I'll try my best to answer. Thanks.